Hi, I'm Teddy Ruxpin. Have you ever had a hiccup before? Well, I have. It all started on yesterday. Come dream with me tonight. In the morning, I couldn't stop hiccuping. Just another hic. Teddy, are you alright? What's going on there? Grubby, thank goodness you're here. I couldn't stop the hiccups. So I asked Grubby to get rid of my hiccups. Grubby, can you get rid of my hiccups? Well, I'll try. Let me see. I know. Soon, Grubby had an idea. I'll burp the hiccups away. Oh, thanks, Grubby. Grubby tries to burp my hiccups away, but 5 seconds later, they came back. Grubby, it didn't work. Maybe Ruby Lumpson can help. So Grubby took me to Ruby's cottage to help get rid of my hiccups. Grubby knocked on the door.
Who's there?
It's me, Grubby and Teddy.
Oh, well, come on in.
So we went in Ruby's cottage and Grubby explained what happened to me. Ruby, my old pal Teddy has a hiccup. Yes. Can you help me get rid of my hiccups?
Sure, Teddy.
So she decided to help out.
To get rid of hiccups, all you need is a glass of water.
But will it work, Ruby?
It should, Grubby. Here, Teddy, drink this water. It will help to get rid of hiccups.
So Ruby gave me a glass of water. I tried drinking the whole thing, but my hiccups made me jump, and the glass flung out of my hands and shattered in pieces. And water made an entire floor wet. Water didn't work. Sorry, Ruby.
That's okay, Teddy. Accidents happen sometimes.
Who else knows how to get rid of Teddy's hiccups? Maybe Leota can help get rid of my hiccups.
Who's Leota?
Come with us, Ruby. We'll show you who she is. So we took Ruby to meet Leota. Hello, Leota. I want you to meet Ruby Lumpson. Ruby, this is Leota. She's a wood sprite.
Hello, Leota. Hello, Ruby. What are you all doing here?
We're here to help you get rid of Teddy's hiccups.
Oh my! This isn't good. Don't worry, Teddy. We'll get rid of your hiccups.
Oh, thank you, Ruby. Don't worry, Teddy. The hiccups will be out in a jiff.
Teddy has the hiccups. What should we do? We must get rid of his hiccups. Look in the book. It shows you how to get rid of hiccups all out right now.
We try burping them, but they never go away. My hiccups just wants to stay.
But Teddy still has the hiccups all right now. We must get them out, but we don't know how.
Leota thought an idea of how to get rid of my hiccups.
To get rid of your hiccups, you need to hold your breath for 10 seconds.
Well, I'll try. So I hold my breath for 10 seconds, but 10 seconds later, my hiccups came back again. Oh no, it didn't work either.
Maybe Gimmick can help. But who's Gimmick? Gimmick is an inventor that discovers science.
Come on, Ruby. Let's go find Gimmick to help get rid of Teddy's hiccups. So we went to Gimmick's house to help me get rid of my hiccups. So Ruby knocked on his door. Oh, who's knocking on my door? It's us, Gimmick. Meet Ruby Lumpson. We're here to help you get rid of Teddy's hiccups.
Oh, my. Well, come in.
So we went in Gimmick's house. Ruby introduced herself.
Hi, I'm Ruby Lumpson.
Nice to meet, you. I'm new to Gimmick, but my friends here, prefers my name to be, Gimmick.
Gimmick, do you know how to get rid of my hiccups?
Yes, I, do. I invented the Hiccup Gone machine to scare away your hiccups.
That's great, Gimmick.
Okay, guys, stand back. The Hiccup Gone machine will scare away Teddy's hiccups for good.
So Gimmick turned on the Hiccup Gone machine and I watched what happens.
Ah!
The Hiccup Gone machine scared away my hiccups. Wow, I think you scared my hiccups away, Gimmick.
Hooray for Gimmick!
It was nothing.
And that's how Gimmick got rid of my hiccups. Think of any ways to get rid of your hiccups. And I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for Book D.